Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about key points to keep in mind when creating a digital marketing strategy. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is set a clear goal. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Once you know your goal, you can start a develop strategy and achieve them. Who are you trying to reach with your digital marketing efforts? What are their needs and interests? Once you know your target audience, you can tailor your content and messaging to appeal to them. And the next point is be consistent. One of the most important thing you can do is be consistent with your digital marketing efforts. This means posting regular on social media, sending out your mail in newsletter, and running paid advertising campaigns is more important to your strategy, and it will create a great impact to your business. And finally, you need to measure your results. It's important to track the results of your digital marketing efforts so you can see what's working and what's not. This will help you make necessary adjustment to your strategy and make some tweaks to your campaigns. Next point is be patient. Digital marketing takes time to see results. Don't expect to see huge increase in traffic or sales overnight. Just keep at it and you will eventually start to see results. And one last thing I will say, get help from a professional, because if you're not professional or not don't know about digital marketing or little knowledge on digital marketing, don't burn your money on your business, so you will get huge loss. So if you are not sure how to create digital marketing strategy, or if you don't have the time to don't do it yourself, if you are not sure about how to create digital marketing strategy, or you don't have the time to create it, considering a professional is a good idea. A good digital marketing agency or freelancer can help you develop a strategy that meets your specific needs and goals. So those are the key points to keep in mind when creating a digital marketing strategy. If you follow these tips, you can create a strategy that will help you achieve your business goals. Thank you for watching.